Damn. Look at that ass. Church is back, baby. Church is back. Look at this dude. No, it doesn't go up there. It goes down.
Down here?
I guess.
It's fucking hitting the exhaust.
It's not in the exhaust.
It's hitting the exhaust.
Why is nothing fucking fitting? Trying to do the fucking rear diffuser, and it came out all right. The problem is this is not fucking sticking, so I need different tape. But it looks good. It's cool. George, what are you working on?
My exhaust step.
You trying to clean it?
I cleaned them. Probably should have worn gloves, but this one was like underneath, and this one was still sticking out. So I was trying to make it even, and then I cleaned them. So fuck it.
Gentle. Be gentle, Daddy.
This is the first time I've ever. If somebody can lift me, oh my god.
No offense.
You're fine. Oh god. Oh no. He got me off my heel.
Might as well just screw them right in. 3M tape wasn't working, so we're just gonna screw it right in.
I love it.
It's all right. It looks good anyway. It looks fine. Nobody's gonna notice. No one's going under the car, right, Church? That's right.
Unscrew it.
Yeah. That looks good. Now let's do the spats.
It's one way to get the car lowered, looking lowered.
Just fucking throw these things
Just
off.
throw them on upside down.
Once you get bags, bro, that shit's gonna fucking just
Snap right off. Boom! You see the picture? Diffuser on. Now we're doing a little bit of spats, a little drill work. It's all right. We'll drill right into a Lexus. It's okay. You like drilling into a Lexus?
No.
Nope. Nobody does. But that's what we're doing.
It's a beat.
You guys taking pictures of your shits? Yeah, that new bar is fucking insane, dude. It's like the first thing you notice. What? Screw you too. I got the screws in my pocket. George, this is what you're gonna do, real quick. You're gonna keep the ST logo on your STI logo on your shit,
ST.
and see how long until somebody says, "The fuck."
I'll go with it.
It's direct fitment, according to eBay.
My fucking asshole. Hit a bumper and fall off.
Is it just like taped on there?
No, it's holding on by itself.
That by itself, what? Does it have tape on there?
No, there's nothing. It's
How the hell is it on?
Grill. It's holding on by the grill.
What the fuck? Chassis mount that shit right onto this shit. That is the sound of victory.
This is the sound of it's barely hanging the fuck on.
Fuck yeah!
He's driving it all he hears is.
And I'm gonna be like, what the fuck?
I'm just trying to help, all right?
You guys want to hear something funny? EJ, we still gotta do side skirts. What do we got? We got side skirts.
Not for my car.
Yeah, for my car.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, look at EJ's face right now. He's so happy.
I really can't move. This shit's gonna fall.
Does that dude own the Dimmadome?
Yeah, I'm the owner of the Dim Sale Dimmadome.
Shit's looking mint though.
I'm gonna hold it. This fucking thing sucks.
It's fucking mint though.
It doesn't fit.
It fits perfect.
No.
Direct fitment. Direct fitment.
No, I daily to Lakewood and back. I need it. I need at least enough. I can't go over the fucking.
My Toyota, I used to daily. I was an inch and a half on the road.
Yeah, no. I going to Wawa. I can't go over the.
I could hear Bob from fucking across town.
Fuck, they fill the gas with because I'm kidding. So.
All right, so now what we have to do is we have to jack up the car Bobby went home to go grab the ramp, so we're gonna ramp this up and then we can put the side skirts on. Spats and diffuser are on. They look great.
Power just went off and back on.
What do you think, Fooch?
I think you throw a whole
It's
car
done
in
deal.
garbage.
We're getting fucking side skirts. We're getting fucking side skirts. AJ's so happy. We're getting fucking side skirts.
Oh no.
It's not offensive.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Fuck that thing.
Broke it.
That's off your car.
Whatever.
What do you mean?
Fucking shoulders ready.
His shoulders are about to pop out.
You better be willing to suck it.
Oh yeah, this is starting to look fucking good.
In the fucking history books. Look at this. I didn't break a clip.
Holy shit.
Crazy.
That's nice.
That's crazy. Crazy shit.
You're gonna have to frame that one, put it up in your fucking garage.
Look at my little snow buddy. Look at my little snow buddy. Feel like he inflates and stuff. Anyway, screwing him in.
Not watching my phone because I was hanging out with my phone.
Look at that. Little bow. This is Bobby. We're self-contractors out here. Let's just put away the drywall screws here. It's from Japan! Alright, so the side skirt's on. We got the rear spats on. And the diffuser. Came out really nice. My car is not lowered, it is stock height. I'm probably going to do springs in the spring. And then down the road, maybe air. You never know. But the side skirts came out good. It blends really nice. It's a nice little fit. Even in stock height, which is really nice. Yeah, I took her for a one drive, just around the block. And look how much fucking road debris the Spat picked up in one drive around the block. What the fuck? What do you give me the knife for? Ah!